Hello and welcome back to my channel. So the other day I had a comment asking me how I draw the support and resistance lines for the index for Nifty. So I thought I'll make a quick video on how we draw the support and resistance using Ichimoku. So in Ichimoku, if you see, we just go to the settings when we want to draw the support and resistance, and you take out everything else except the conversion line and the baseline. So all we have right now is a conversion and the baseline. We know that the Kijunsen is basically the high and low of 26 periods, the average of the high and low of the 26 periods. So we know that whenever there is a flat line that's happening in Kijunsen, that means there has been consolidation going on for the last 26 periods at least. So, which is whenever there's a consolidation that is going on and then there is a breakout or breakdown, we see that level as important support and resistances. So when we want to draw the support and resistance, all you have to do is take out everything else except the Kijunsen and the Tenkan-sen. If you're looking to draw support and resistance on the higher time frame, take it for a 1 hour. Or if you're going to do intraday trades, you can take it for 15 minutes. And if you see all these levels are, they will act as supports if price is above and resistance if price is below. So if you want to plot resistance, since we are here and we don't see any Kijunsen here, just go to your left. And when you go to your left, you will find that, see, okay, we are here on the left. We see there is a resistance here. So in whenever you find these flattened Kijunsen, they act as support and resistance. So whenever you want to draw these for a longer time frame, go to your 1 hour. And if you're going to do that for a shorter time frame, you can make it using the 15 minutes. Also, if we are at all-time high, we'll have to draw targets. For that, we use a different kind of system. Those are theories. Those are slightly advanced techniques which we will learn later. Okay, bye bye.